Hi guys! Today we're just having fun and make sure that you can do anything what you're doing. It's a very most powerful video in the world. Wow, what an awesome video. Let me see that. So what happens on the TV? Okay, look! We make an important thing of my important shay. Okay, we make an important shay. Wow, what an awesome thing so that we can learn it from YouTube. A very most important chance what I gave you. It's not about captions. It's just about us. Hello, everybody!